that the tribunal had the authority to hear the dispute and make an award. Despite Gujarat Urja Vikas Nigam Limited's objections, Gujarat Urja Vikas Nigam Limited, on the other hand, faced the challenge of proving that the termination of the contract was justified. The company had to demonstrate that EMCO Ltd had failed to meet its contractual obligations, and that the termination was in accordance with the terms of the contract. The Supreme Court's ruling in 2016 was a significant milestone in the case. The court upheld the Gujarat High Court's decision, ruling that the arbitral tribunal had indeed exceeded its jurisdiction. The court's decision was based on a careful analysis of the contract and the arbitration agreement, which had explicitly outlined the scope of the arbitral tribunal's jurisdiction. The implications of the Supreme Court's ruling were far-reaching, as it set an important precedent for future disputes in the energy sector. The judgment emphasized the need for parties to carefully draft arbitration agreements, ensuring that the scope of the arbitral tribunal's jurisdiction is clearly defined. The Gujarat Urja Vikas Nigam Limited, or TANB, EMCO Limited Others case has had a significant impact on the energy sector in India, shaping the regulatory framework for power companies. The case has established important precedents for the resolution of disputes between power distribution companies and equipment suppliers. In conclusion, the Gujarat Urja Vikas Nigam Limited VYE, EMCO Limited Others case is a landmark judgment that has had far-reaching implications for the energy sector in India. The case highlights the importance of careful drafting of contracts and arbitration agreements, and the need for parties to clearly define the scope of the arbitral tribunal's jurisdiction. If you're interested in learning more about this case or similar legal battles, I encourage you to explore further. There are many fascinating landmark cases in Indian law that have shaped the country's legal landscape. Don't forget to check out our other videos on leading cases in Indian contract law, and subscribe to our channel for more informative content on law and the energy sector.